Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to downgrade your iOS 8 beta to iOS 7.1.1. And iOS 7.1 is the latest publicly released iOS available for download. And so we know that Apple releases a new iOS version each year for its iPhones, iPads and iPod Touch. So the actual beta public release is usually preceded by about 2 to 3 months for beta testing by developers. And during this beta period, different shady UDID registration website shows up, and they allow users to install the pre-released version. Then each year, some of these users encounter bugs and then start finding solution. So this is the result, and so you are willing to download and install the iOS 8, and so it is made public after a lot of testing and diagnostics and a lot of testing phase. So you should know that it is recommended to stay away from such pre-releases software unless you are a developer and know much about these and know what are you doing. So it is understandable that the excitement that surrounds us for updating your iOS device to the latest version, but betas are meant for developers to report bugs and test compatibility with their apps. So before going on further, you should note that you will lose all your data from your phone. So please take a backup of your data. Before beginning, it is important to understand that you will lose all your data, as I have told you now, when downgrading from iOS 8. So the reason behind this is that you cannot restore iOS 7 on an iOS 8 backup. Alternatively, if you have an iCloud or iTunes backup for iOS, then you can use that backup to restore your phone, but you will need to have your specific iOS device restore files, also called IPSW. And if you do not have this file, then use the link from the description box below to download your selected phone model firmware files. And you will need the latest version of iTunes, so use the download link from the description to download the latest iOS iTunes. And so now we begin with the instructions to download the iOS beta to 7.1.1. And so the first step is to power off your phone by holding down the power button. So you will see this screen. Simply slide off this button to the right corner and the phone screen will go off after a few seconds. So now hold down the home button on your iOS device and plug it into your computer. Now the iTunes will detect your iOS device connected in the recovery mode, which is a special mode for iDevices. And so now hold down options for Macintosh or Mac users, or Shift for Windows users to click the restore button. And in the window that opens, select the iOS restore file by going to the directory and selecting the files which you have downloaded earlier or you have taken the backup. So now your iOS device will now restore to iOS 7.1.1, and once done, you will be presented with the iOS setup screen as follows on the next slide. So guys, that is it for the restoring part. Your device will now be running the latest iOS, and you can continue your work on a much more stable and faster OS. So this is the welcome screen, and this is the iPad screen. So this is the iPad screen. So on the iPhone you might have a smaller screen, so not to worry. So go with your regular setup as you have done with your new iPhone. So guys, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Do write your feedback and comment in the comment section below. And if you have any query, do write in the comments also. Okay then, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Do subscribe.